Hello everyone. In this part I will give the question answers for class 8 students from the chapter migration. So let's start. Answer the following question. Number 1, what is migration? It is the movement by the people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently in the new location. Next question, what are the three types of migration? You will write the three types of migration are forced, reluctant and voluntary migration. The next question is, mention the 5 destination countries and 5 countries of origin of migrants. So from here you can write any 5 destination countries like USA, Russia, Germany, Canada, UK, and from countries of origin any 5 you can write India, Russia, China, Ukraine, Mexico, Bangladesh, Pakistan, any 5 name you can write from here. So our next question is, what is brain drain? So this answer you can write from here. It is the immigration of highly skilled or well educated individuals from one country to another country, causing a drain of skilled workforce in the country of origin. So our next question is, what steps are being undertaken by the Indian government to prevent brain drain? So you have to write this answer. The increasing trend of brain drain of the skilled workers finally persuaded the government to take action. After witnessing a huge brain drain of doctors, among the 3,000 medical students went abroad in last 3 years, none returned. The Health Ministry has suspended issuing no obligation certificates to the medical students going abroad for higher studies. Our next is differentiate. So the first is voluntary and forced migration. So in the voluntary migration you will write, it is the migration based on one's will and initiative. People move for variety of reason and its opinions and choices. Then in forced migration you will write that it is the negative form of migration often caused by exploitation. The largest devastating forced migration is in human history was the African slave trade. Our next is immigrant and immigrant. So in the immigrant you will write the people who come to live in another country are called immigrants, and the next is people who move out of a country are called immigrants. Our next is differentiate between push factors and pull factors of migration. So you can write any 5 points from each push factors and pull factors. So suppose from the full push factors you can write not enough job, desertification or drought, slavery, poor medical care. Whereas from pull factors you can write job opportunities, better living conditions, political or religious freedom, education, etc. So our last differentiate is reluctant and forced migration. Again, forced migration, whatever you have done earlier, that only you will write, and in the reluctant migration you will write it is a form of migration in which individuals are not forced to move but do so because of an unfavorable situations at their current location. So these are the question answers from chapter